If you want to power off your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, but you don't know the screen lock password, you forgot it, and you cannot turn off the phone, because if you try to do that, then the phone demands you to enter the password anyway. So to actually shut down the phone, you will have to use a little trick that allows us to go to the recovery mode by using the force restart method. So first, you want to prepare a computer or a laptop and also a USB cable, because we will have to connect our phone to our computer or laptop, but not yet. First, we will have to force restart our phone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna force restart by pressing and holding the power button and volume down button. We will have to hold these two buttons for a couple of seconds until the screen shuts down. Once the screen shuts down, you will need to use the USB cable and connect your phone to your computer. And immediately after that, you will have to press and hold the power button and volume up button and hold even for a minute or so to go to the recovery mode. So let's get right into it. First, force restart. So I'm gonna press and hold power button and volume down button, and just keep holding these two buttons. Approximately it takes 7 seconds to restart the phone, then connect the USB cable, and then press and hold power and volume up. And now we will have to keep holding these two buttons for quite a bit of time. At least in my case, it seems that it takes some time to turn the phone back on with the force restart. I'm not sure why that is. The base S26 handled it rapidly. It didn't take too long to force restart the phone. In this case, it might even take a minute to turn it back on. Once you see the Samsung logo though, you will have to, well, you don't have to, but you can let go the power button and just hold the volume up only. And after a couple of seconds after that, you will see the recovery mode. But unfortunately, in my case, I have to hold for quite a bit of time. There we go. So now I let go the power button and just hold volume up. And now we are in the Android recovery mode. Now in here, if you want to shut down the phone, you just have to use volume buttons to navigate in this menu to select the power off option. And then once you have the power off option selected, press power button in order to confirm. But actually before I do that, I want to also unplug the cable. It's no longer needed. So just press here, select this option, and the phone is now completely off. Now, another thing that I want to mention is that if you turn the phone back on after that, then you will be back into the recovery mode. And in order to exit it, just make sure that reboot system now is selected and press power button to restart the phone and go back to the normal mode. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.